making knives. You want to make knives? Yeah, you gonna help me? All right, good boy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So what I had done is, as per the customer's request, I used a V2 style knife and we went with the Joker style colors, which is a Cerakote, and that's also an option that you can get on the website. Also added a bunch of different type of accents, and it comes with a really nice Kydex sheath, which I'll get into in a second. Do yourself a favor, just watch the video to its entirety and I'll give you a little bit more updates on this knife. But what you can do right now is, if you want one of these, go to threeriverblades.com. Check out all the stuff I have up there. We do have Cerakote options and color schemes if that's what you're interested in. To support us, all you need to do is go to the website, purchase a knife. You can also go to patreon.com, become a Patreon member. It only costs you $1 a month, and you'll be able to watch videos like this sooner than everybody else, and of course have my appreciation. Also check out the other links that I have down below, also an Amazon affiliate and a whole bunch of other good stuff down there. So without further ado, let me just roll in this footage. Alright guys, so as you see in the video, this is the V2 or the Void 2. This is the knife that we did a little bit more custom work to. You could also get that done if you want on the website itself. Go to threeriverblades.com. Check out all the different options that are up there. This happens to be a Cerakoted blade. It is a 1095 blade, and it does have a couple accents and of course some nice G10. I also built a really nice Kydex sheath for the knife. This is in Kryptek Purple. I don't know the exact name, but I know it's a Kryptek. And the bead chain is number 10 as opposed to number 6. All right, so just to keep with the theme, the knife clicks in there really nicely. It fits. It's not going anywhere. Again, this was a neck carry designed for the owner that really wanted this. And again, we have these pass-through light green, I want to say, gel pins. They really have a nice accent to it, so if you put it in the light you can actually see through it. I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera, but that's also very nice. So again, the knife itself will be a neck carry. I mean, that just is perfect. If you want something like this, go to threeriverblades.com. Pick out the knife that you like. If you want a Cerakote option that's not up there, let me know. You can hit me up on the email. Become a Patreon member. Please support this channel. Only costs you $1 a month if you don't want to buy a knife. Also get on that mailing list. That mailing list is going to give you discounts for all my knives. So you go to Three River Blades, go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, email address, send that straight out, and again, wait for that discount code to come into your email address, and you'll be very happy that you did so. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share, add comments down below if you really like this blade. If you're looking at getting one of these, I highly recommend it. Order it soon, because once they run out, that's all we have. Alright guys, thank you very much, and as always, stay safe.